Hello everyone, my name is Kurt Rasmussen. Today I would like to give a demonstration on the Markup Set Manager. Previously I've discussed the Sheet Set Manager, and for this demonstration I'm just going to take one sheet that we already have. I'm going to right click and say Publish to a DWF or DWFX. I'm going to call it Demo, overwrite the demo file that I have in there. This will process in the background that we see in the lower right corner. And when this is done, it's going to make a DWF file that we could email to somebody, maybe across country even, so that they could see the set of plans, they could mark it up and send it back to us. This will work whether you're using the Sheet Set Manager to publish, or if you use just the standard plotting technique using basic AutoCAD. You can make a DWF from there and email that to somebody for them to mark up. The markup software is called Design Review, and I'm going to open this now so that you can see the markup aspect of this. Design Review 2011 is a free product that comes with your AutoCAD product. It also could be downloaded from Autodesk's website for free. They will require you to put in a email address. That's it. For this demonstration, I'm going to do just a quick markup. Maybe circle this area, and we want to say change to 3 feet. Maybe I come in, make another change here, and I'll mark this up. Say change to WP5, and let's do one more markup. Now these markups could be on multiple pages, but for this demonstration I'm only going to do it to one page. 7 foot. Okay, now that I've marked this up, I would save this and resend it back. So what I'm going to do is now save this back in the location that it was, and I would email this back to the person that's going to do these edits for me. Now I'm the person on the other side. I just received the markups, and now I want to attach them to my drawing. Now the Sheet Set Manager is something we covered, but today I want to show you the markup set. The Markup Set Manager is located under your View, Palettes, and right here it's also Control 7. I have it on the side here. I'm going to open the file that was emailed back to me. I'm now the CAD guy getting ready to do these markups. And you notice when I attach it here, we see the sheet, the one sheet, and we have our 3 comments. If I double click on this, it says change to 3 foot. When I double click, it will actually bring it into my drawing and put the markup right over top. You can use these icons here to switch to turn your markup off, turn it back on, switch between the DWG file, which is what we have here with the markup on top, or you could see the DWF version so that you could see it in the black and white or whatever rendering that it was set to. I would then make this change. Let's say that I changed that to 3 feet. Now I would come into this markup, and I would say markup status for review, because I would want the guy to check my work. I'll then go to this WP5. I see this change here. I would go in and change this to working point 5. Then I would come in and say for review, and then change to 7 foot. As I double click that, we see that that changes over here. But I have a question. I want to know if that should be done to both sides of the road. So I'm going to change this to question, and down in my notes I'm going to say both sides. I'm now going to right click on this and say save markup history changes. This will now save those changes. I would then email this back to. Now on the other end, the person that originally marked it up would have these comments back. As with the CAD drawing, I could double click on it and zoom to it. I see that it's for review. Let's just say that this was changed to 3 feet. I would say done. I would then proceed to the next one, working point 5. Let's say that I did change that. I would say done. And then the next one says change to 7, and it says status question. Down below here we can see that the date and time that somebody asked changed it to question, and the question says both sides, as we could see right here. You could then answer the question, say yes, send the markup back. I'm not going to go through that for this demonstration, but my main purpose was to show you that these markups can actually be overlaid right onto your drawing. And it's the method of using the Markup Set Manager. This concludes my demonstration for Markup Set Manager. Thank you.